Suryakumar Yadav's full name is Suryakumar Ashok Yadav. He was born on the 14th of September 1990 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. His wife name is Divisha Shetty. He is a cricketer and plays for the Indian cricket team. He is a right-handed batsman. His ODI debut was on the 18th of July 2021 vs West Indies and his T20 debut was on the 14th of March 2021 vs England. His ODI and T20 shirt number is 63. His favorite shot is sweep shot. He is middle-order batsman and plays sensible inning for the team. When needed, he turns his batting into hard hitting. He is one of the most explosive batsmen and is known for hitting outside the boundary fours and sixes. Suryakumar Yadav single-handedly helped India to win many matches with his batting. His highest score till today in ODI is 64 and in T20 is 117 and in IPL is 82.